My name is Shivansh Mishra. My mother's name is Mrs. Seema Mishra. My father's name is Mr. Pradeep Mishra.
So they must know that why we hang onion like this. What is this? Do you know what is this? This is khapra. So just see around, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishna and today I am going to show to all of you my village. Let's start my village journey, village tour. So let's start. You can see here totally muddy street. So we have to focus while making video that I need to walk very clearly and very sincerely, because if I will not focus on walking, so I will fall down. So that is why I am not able to show to my face. Here is one water wall soap which I regularly aim because I love water walls. So you can see, guys, it's totally village. Means my village is in a developed condition. Everything is developed and all other person is saying to me, watching to me, that what I'm doing, because it's totally new thing in my village. And after I know that how it will happen, you can see, guys, how she ride the cycle. Actually, friends, in a village, it's too good thing that we can take a fresh air. It's too good in village. And all other person cannot be stay in village, because in village we cannot get every facilities. So that is why most of the people are going in metro cities. You can see, friends, many of houses are constructing because the government policy that I think they get a Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which help for making house. And in my village, friends, most of the villages are met by the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana with help of. That is the one of the. This house is one of the biggest house in my village. I'll show you. So this is one of the big house in my village, friends. There is also another, but this is also. I hope you are understanding my English, because I'm not teacher, I'm just a learner and I'm just practicing while making videos because I want to do practice. फोटो नहीं खींच रही हूँ, वीडियो बना रही हूँ. It's my house, friends. They are my neighbor. हाँ बनाई हूँ. So, now I'm going to turn on. Let's enter. So it's my house, friends. And means 2 years ago we used to live in here, but suddenly my father has a paralysis attack. That is why we have to move in that house, because you can see the condition of my house. It's not good. And that time my father was not able to ride. My father was not able to walk, and he was not able to go for her personal work. So that is why we decided that let's go that house, because that how any patient can live in this kind of situation. Because as I said to you, here is you can say that how the condition. We used to live in here, friends. Here is one room, and here is also another one. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Now I'm going to open the door. See, friends, how villagers live. How it was our kitchen, friends. You can see that how here we used to make our dinner, breakfast, lunch, and everything. And we used to set our pots in here. You can see how I used to live. See, friends, who belong to village and who are watching from to village, so they must know that why we hang onion like this. So please do comment why we hang onion like this. And you can see here is also more onion. We did not purchase, friends. Don't think that we purchase and hang like this. We grow in our farm. Let's go another one room. See, it's a roof, guys. Who are from to village, so they know that what is this. It's a muddy roof, means which things we have a more, so we put in here. And it's like in my village, in my area, we say that patauha. And whatever in your area, please share what's called this. Please do comment also in here. See, friends, it is our bedroom, friends. Here I used to sleep. And yes, another one. See, the potato which we grow from to our farm also. That's mean we are farmer. I'm also farmer. I'll show you my farm also. See, here is potato, and another room has a onion. So now let's go our farm. See, friends, here is my lovely one. He is just now 22. She is only 20-day old. He is only 20-day old. Yes. And when he born, that time I was, and that time nobody was there. That's, you can say that I delivered to her name is Raghunandan. He is Raghunandan, and she is Raghunandan moms. She is loving to her baby. See, it's a periwinkle plant, and I don't know what my parents done here, but yeah, I can see you can see that here something is going to grow. I don't know what. I think here is ginger. I'm not sure, friends. I'm just guessing. So now see friends, here is guava also. Baby guava. Do you like guava? See friends, here is papaya also. Many of things are available in here. I love here. And sometimes we regret that why we went there. I think it's baby Karela. Let's search that is there any or not. There is no. And here is another tree which going to be tree. And what say in your area, friends, this? What is this? Do you know what is this? So this is cow dung. That means we put in one place our cow dung. It is organic khad which is very pure and natural, and here is no any chemical. So it is too much beneficial for plants, for our agriculture. See, it's totally cow dung. And my father is also spread here and there. See friends, I hope you are watching, you are understanding my English and also my village. I hope friends you are enjoying. So let's go another way. You can see here is many of flower plant. This is this one. It's just my mom done this, I think. This one. See, here is many of plants, flower plants. Here is one, I think it's. Here is also one brinjal plant, but there is no brinjal. I think the brinjal plant is missing to their family also. See friends, there is more cow. And yes friend, what is this? What is this? Do you know what is this? This is khapra, which we use in our roof. Means which we used to use in our roof, because nowadays when monkeys came, and you can see that here is also available, but nowadays we are, as I said to you, that we are going to develop, my village is going to develop condition, and there is many of monkeys comes. So when the monkey came and run and jump from to roof, from to roof in this kind of roof, so it break down. That is why we use this kind cemented seat. Let's meet to my neighbors also. Which are sitting in here. मम्मी चली गई. So friends, now my mom has gone temple. So what do you think? Should we go temple? Yes, friends, let's go temple. So let's go temple, friends. Turn off the light. Let's close the door. When I was coming, that time I turned from to here, but now I'm going to go temple, so I am going to turn in here. So let's go our temple journey. It's too tough, friends, to making video in village while going anywhere, because all other person are watching to us. I'm not worried about that guy because I'm not doing any wrong thing, but you can understand the thinking of any villager, that how they think that while walking she is speaking. How? Let's go. I know that I'm not able to visible. I'm not able to capture all other things. There is temple where we are going. Here also something going to be grow. This is also big house in our village. Now we are going to reach. It's just little far, not too much. See, it's a Pipaleshwar at the name of our village on behalf of this temple. The temple name is Pipaleshwar Ram Mandir. Who know? So do like also for. Here the Ram Leela held in this. Let's enter. So there is a many of ladies who are doing evening worship, as I saw too. Here is one very cute boy, and here's Sivans. Sivans, इधर आओ. Come here. अपना introduction दो.
My name is Shivans Mishra. My mother's name is Mrs. Seema Mishra. My father's name is Mr. Pradeep Mishra.
हो गया. Thank you. कहाँ पढ़ते हो आप?
बांधवगढ़ बाल किला हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल चपाऊ मरिया.
और कौन सी क्लास में हो?
सेकेंड
क्लास में. How old are you?
7.
7-year-old. So you can see, friends, how the talented guy. Okay, जाओ खेलो. He is not only talented, he is too much physically fit and too much energetic boy. Means I know very well too. When he was very cute little boy, that time I was also there. I saw, and after a long time I met to Sivans, and you can see that how he is doing activity, and he is also talented guy. So now I'm going to show you that how many ladies are doing worship, evening worship, and many of ladies also going to come. So see, the way of walking and the way of लुकी नहीं हूँ वीडियो है यार सीधा गाइस Now Shivansh came. Now Shivansh is taking her slipper and oh God, oh God, oh don't do this. She's too naughty boy. So now we are going back to our house with my mom, with my aunties, bhabis.
With my all other neighbors. The evenings here is too dark. There, that is why all other people are not visible properly. Very sorry.
Now again we came this turn and we will come again. मम्मी हम लोग अभी वो वाले घर जा रहे हैं यहाँ हाँ Now friends again we reached same area.
See friends.
Who want to come my house, my old house? So I showed a map that how can come my new house to my old house. Now my mom and my auntie is going to enter the house in green shadi. I think she is doing something. I don't know. Now the cow is coming and again Seema Didi is coming. For what I don't know. She is doing also worship. You can see how she do this. She was making run away this cow. See, they all are our house friends. I'm waiting here for my mom because we have to go. We are not staying here now. So this is my English journey friends. That how can we do practice without any partner? So who says that we don't have any partner? How can we do practice? So in this kind you can practice. Don't think that I'm speaking wrong, correct, whatever. We just have to do practice in any type. Because practice make a perfect. If we don't practice, if we started thinking that we are not good, so whenever we will be good, then we will speak. So it's not work. We have to start in zero level what we are now. After that we will grow. So think about practice. Don't think about mistake. I think my mom has started doing something. I should go walk. I should call from to here. Don't need to go. Mummy! Mummy! My voice is not able to. My mom is not able to listen. So that is why I have to go. This is my auntie's house. And from to here my house start. Mom came. So now we are going to start for going that house where we are living. So let's start walking guys, because now you can see that the timing now the time is 7:30 and it's too late. You can see here is my mom. She is going there.
जैसे दिया है क्या कहते ओम प्रकाश यहाँ अच्छा काम करते पर आई चल पर साथ
Again, in fourth time, I came in same place, and now we are going to turn. Now the time is 7:30. That is why all other things are not visible properly because it's too dark. But still, I am showing. Again, we reached that biggest house, but now the biggest house is not visible. You know why? Because of darkness. Again, chapak, chapak, chapak. It is also biggest house, one of the biggest house in our village. See, again we reached a water wall shop. मम्मी दिखता है मम्मी I want to eat water balls.
No.
Please.
No, no.
Why?
Money
Please
problem.
give.
My money problem.
My mom is saying money problem. Please give me only 20 rupees.
No, no, no.
My mom is not giving me money. Here is also another Puchki water ball shop. Highway.
Our destination is not far, guys. Now we are going to reach. If anybody want to come, so that person will come from to there, and after that you just have to turn in this side, and after that, after 1 and 2 house, our house will be reached. So in this type you can go this house and also that one house. A white one house is our friends. There is one medical clinic. It is also so from to here we start our video, and now I'm going to stop my video. I hope you enjoy my village vlog. I hope so. This kind of things you can do, practice, and we will meet in next video. Till then, do practice and make video also. Jai Shri Ram.